Rob here and welcome to another speed run. This time we've got Vanessa's Lunchbox Mini. It's actually four-wheel drive compared to the big one, which is only rear-wheel drive. And I've also done some mods on it so that hopefully when we wheelie it will steer. I've got Mark on the camera.
Hi guys.
I'm sorry if I sound a bit different, but I'm recovering from a cold.
I give it him, it's my fault. Sorry about that, dude.
But yes, this is going to be a speed run with a difference. We're going to see how fast we can get it onto wheels.
Whoa, looking forward to this, Rob.
The good thing is that if I put it down, we can set off wheeling.
Ah, that's cheating, that is, Rob. Go on, then you got to turn the speed meter on, dude.
I know. I've got to turn it on as well, dude.
Okay, I got the speed meter at 0, Rob.
Cool. So don't worry, dude. As soon as I let off the throttle, it's probably going to do a forward roll.
Oh no, I'm trying. I've got a zoom right in. It's that tiny.
I know.
I know. I've zoomed in on being right close to it as well.
Let's get me wibbly wobbly out.
Pardon? So.
Hey, wibbly wobbly.
Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. That's a good one. Good length on that, sir.
Oh.
I'll try and follow it.
Okay. Right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa, wait, doing donuts, dude. We're supposed to go in a straight line.
I was hoping it would. Nope.
I got it. Crash number 1.
Somebody told me he doesn't like tarmac, mate.
Yeah. Where's it going?
The range isn't ready,
Oh.
mate.
Go on, son, nail it. He won't go in a straight line. Oh, look at the speed of it, dude. I think you better do a standard speed run, man, to see how fast it goes. Good for your legs. Stunts as well.
That's it.
It's nice. It's nice and quiet, Rob.
It is.
I can't believe how far I've got to zoom in, Rob. Because it's a bombing tiny.
I know. One last try. I think I'm going to have to go to 2.4 on it if I want to try it outside.
Where is it?
27 meg with the aerial wraparound though.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm trying to do forward rolls. That's me full right lock. So. Let's have a look then, dude.
Can't you just draw it straight a bit first to see how fast it'll go?
No, I keep losing signal.
Well, just turn around and then just keep it going.
That was me trying to turn right then, and it turned left.
Yeah, I have the camera.
Got it?
Yeah.
You're a tongue slapper.
Way.
Oh dear.
Let's have a look at this one. Oh man, look at that. It's broke the speed of saying.
Wow. Oh, I did see it for a brief second then.
I've got to say though, it's nearly as fast as my Agros.
Yes. Oh, don't make me laugh. I can't. I'm zoomed in that much. 6 mile an hour.
6 mile
Wow.
an hour, Rob.
Okay, so lots of fun,
But
but didn't go anywhere where we tried to go with it. What I am going to do though is, as you can see, if I can hold it up like that, see how much toe in and toe out these wheels have got. That is Tamiya's recommendations for these, attaching these steering arms to supposedly give you wheelie steering.
Right. But it doesn't, does it?
I don't think. Well, it works perfectly well on laminate flooring.
Right.
It does steer.
But this is pretty smooth. You can't get smoother tarmac than this, can you?
Not really. So what I'm going to try and do is straighten these out a bit.
Try it again.
And then try it again at some other point.
Cool.
So there we go. With that, I hope you've had a good laugh like we have.
Mini lunchbox.
Yeah.
6 mile an hour. Like I said, it's nearly as fast as my Agros.
It is.
Not giving anything away there.
So thanks for watching and hope to see you on the next one. Bye.
See ya.